Next in CSS, we are going to work with sticky position. So the element which are defined with this position will scroll until it reaches, or we can say touches the top. After touching the top, the element stops scrolling even if the page is scrolling. So this is a CSS folder, and in this folder I'm creating one file st.html, and this is our basic HTML code. And here in body section, first of all I'm creating paragraph style equals to, I'm giving border to 1 pixel, solid black, and background color I'm giving is aquamarine. And here we are doing lorem into 50. Save it, and so this is our paragraph. Now here in head section we are giving style tag, and within this style tag I'm making one class sticky. Name of that class is sticky, and position here I'm giving is sticky. From top side right now I'm giving 10 pixel. Then background, I am giving color to this background as green yellow. Color of text should be, I'm giving blue. Padding I'm giving is 30 pixel, and border to 1 pixel, solid black. And here I'm giving I'm creating div and assigning class. Name of that class was sticky. And here we are writing sticky note. And after this again I'm creating one paragraph. Border I'm giving is 1 pixel, solid black, and background color I'm giving is aquamarine. Again we are doing lorem into 50. We are giving a 100. Save it, and click on go live. So this is our page. This is our sticky note. It is going to stick 10 pixels before this upper border. It is not scrolling above that. If we change it, like here we are giving instead of 10 pixel, if I say it is 100 pixel, so it is going to scroll till it reaches this point. After that it will stop scrolling even though the page is scrolling. So this is our first paragraph. This is a sticky note. It is going to stop at 100 pixel before this top border, and after that page is scrolling but that sticky note is not scrolling. So this was sticky position and CSS.